Vibe kawani zaina pulani sisi babi wani sifani na sitani zesi Japani n'abafani kabyalani.
Ogamba tiyali ku KTV Street Smart bambita MC Max live kakatera nzize nze kunyuma mukole bachali bangabo ku street walona wali tugenda kwogera luzungu tugenda kwejukanya kakati munange mukene olabi ko muwomerwa nkulaba owomerwa nnyo mukene naye mukene oyo omanyi wayitibwa mu luzungu abafe mukene oyo gwosinga okuwomera omanyi wayitibwa mu luzungu tambula nange onyumirenga boyiganga bana Uganda bambulira mukene ayitibwa atya mu luzungu yenze MC Max. Kanso kenkubuze ikirara mukene yayitibwa atya mu luzungu
Mukene nasi mumanye mu luzungu
tirwashi
ati wewe na bena byakuyiga sigena ngako ku mwalo
mukene bamwita batya mu luzungu
omuki
mukene
atenze simanya oluzungu
bamwita batya mu lwewa mmwe
muki
mulwewa bamwita batya
akachiko gamba
mukene
omukene oluholi holi
mukene bamwita batya mu luzungu
era mukene asigara mukene nzo mu luzungu
Mano here voice with this man mano here.
ate mukene yayitibwa atya mu luzungu
Mukene bamwita milk fish.
Hey! I slap the devil out of you.
bamwita batya mu luzungu
manyiri ya mukene
mu luzungu
manyiri ya mukene mu luzungu sijja kulimba
mukene bamwita batya mu luzungu
mukene maybe small fish
batya mu luzungu
mukene then amanyi mukene
Put this man in the cell. I want him to remain there permanently.
ate mukene bamwita batya mu luzungu
small fish.
You don't know now, but I'm going to tell you something. I'm saying.
mukene yayitibwa atya mu luzungu
Mukene oba bamwita batya amanyi kyennyanja kinene.
Friend, I'm disappointed in you.
mukene yayitibwa atya mu luzungu tobulako mukene tobulako
Jesus!
mukene bamwita batya mu luzungu
Mukene babuyita tilapia.
How can someone in his right senses say such?
Mukene ye. Simuyiyanga na ku mu luzungu.
It's a shit. Bruh.
mukene bamwita batya mu luzungu
Mukene. Bagayita small fish.
Is it from our village?
No way! No way!
Rain, thunder, thunder.
mukene afuse mukene mu luzungu basabale banyabo streets zempulira zinyumidde era abanayuganda bongedde okulumya tubayitebewa abe Kenya abe Rwanda bongedde okubalumya tebamanyi mukene bwayitibwa mu luzungu basabale banyabo okuvala olinaku olwero jagalo kitegeere mukene ayitibwa silver fish wanji silver fish omuntu omanganye mbuyanga fish simanya small fish owedde mukene ayitibwa silver fish mbade MC Max live tukwatagane mu episode dako.